Good evening, children. Hope you would have thoroughly with the formulas related with both types of ellipse. What are the types? Standard form and non-standard form. So in ellipse, we will see few problems. Um, if you are thorough with all the formulas, I hope that you will understand these problems very well. Question number 24. Find the equation of the ellipse whose foci are plus or minus 3, 0. Eccentricity E is equal to 1 by 2. Actually, what they are asking us to find the equation of the ellipse. What are given to us? Foci. I already told you foci means plural form. There are two focus. So one is plus 3, 0. Another one is minus 3, 0. And eccentricity value is also given 1 by 2. So we need to find the equation of the ellipse. Now, related with ellipse, we need to know one more thing. That is, in ellipse, distance between center and focus is CF1 is equal to C. This already we know. Distance between center and focus is given by C. If you see the diagram of theory class, you will understand what is C. C is nothing but distance between center and focus. What we are going to see here is, we are going to see the value for C. C can be written as or expressed as A into E. You know very well, E means eccentricity, A means distance between center and vertex. Everything I am telling using the previous class. C is given by the formula A into E. What is A? Distance between center and one vertex. E is nothing but eccentricity. And the second one that we have to know is F1, F2, that is distance between focus 1 and focus 2. Distance between focus 1 and focus 2 is given by 2C. If you see this diagram also, you can understand. This is center, this is focus 1 and this is focus 2. Center to focus, what is the distance? C. Center to other focus, again the distance is C. So what is the distance between F1 and F2? C plus C, 2C. That is what is written here. F1 and F2, distance between two focus is given by 2C. C means AE, so 2AE. Hereafter, if I ask you what is the distance between focus 1 and focus 2, you should say 2AE. Okay. Now we have drawn the diagram. Since focus is given to us plus or minus 3, 0, we marked 3, 0 and minus 3, 0 as two focus. This is focus 1 and focus 2. Clearly we can see now the midpoint of these 2 points. If you calculate midpoint of these two, F1 and F2, the answer will be 0, 0. Use midpoint formula and calculate. So the answer is 0, 0. Therefore the center is 0, 0. So by marking the diagram, from the diagram itself, we can easily find out the center. Center is nothing but midpoint of two focus. If I calculate midpoint of these two, the answer is 0, 0. So that is what I am writing from the diagram. Center is 0, 0. Center means we will denote it as H, K. And also F1, F2 is equal to 6. This is also we are writing only from the diagram. If you see this diagram, you can understand. See, from C to F1, C to focus 1, the distance is 3 units because the point is 3, 0, which means C to F1 distance is 3. Similarly, C to F2 distance is 3. Why minus 3? Because it is in the left side. So 3 plus 3, what is the total distance? 6. That is what I have written. F1, F2 is equal to 6. What is F1, F2 formula? 2AE equal to 6. Eccentricity value is given in the question. Substitute that, cancel this 2, get A value. So A is equal to 6. A square is equal to 36. Okay. Now this formula already we know. C square equal to A square minus B square. But what is C now? AE. C is given by AE, which means C square can be written as A square E square is equal to this. Again, bring B square to other side, A square E square to that side. This comes. These are all simplifications, you know very well. If I take A square common from the right hand side, the answer is 1 minus E square. So again, this is the formula that you have to remember. b square is equal to a square into 1 minus e square. A square value we know, just now we found out a square is equal to 36. So in place of a square write 36. E square, e value is given in the question as 1 by 2. So if you square this, the answer is 1 by 4. Simplify and get b square value as 27. So already we got a square value. Now we have got b square value. Therefore now we will write equation of ellipse. Now if you see this diagram, this is focus 1 and this is focus 2. Then you can easily guess how the ellipse will be. Ellipse will be like this, right? It will be like this. That is, ellipse is standard form. By seeing the focus itself, we can easily say the ellipse is in standard form. So since the ellipse is standard form, the equation of ellipse is given by x minus h whole square by a square plus y minus k whole square by b square equal to 1. What is h comma k? Center. Here the center is 0 comma 0. So in place of h put 0, in place of k put 0. This becomes x square by a square, means we found out a square as 36 plus y, k is 0, therefore y square, b square value is 27 equal to 1. I think you will understand this. From the diagram we are finding out center, as well as we are finding out the distance between f1 and f2. f1 and f2 is 3 plus 3, 6. From that we are obtaining a square value. Even these are all the steps that you need not write in the examination. If you know this formula, you can directly write this formula: b square equal to a square into 1 minus e square. Find out b square, substitute in the equation. I think you will understand this simple problem. Practice this, children. Thank you.